Today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Cop Kicker Gets Reality Check After Drunk Freakout.
That's assault on an officer.
Oh, yeah! Stop. Do not bite me. Do not bite me. Well, talk to me.
On October 24th, 2025, officers with the Ankeny Police Department responded to a call from a hotel claiming there was a woman that came into the lobby and began screaming and refused to leave. The woman claimed there was a man staying at the hotel that she needed to visit, but the hotel staff had no idea what she was talking about.
Yes, sir. Yeah. It's under my second. Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
Oh, we always send multiple officers to cause different.
Please don't hurt me.
We're not here to hurt you.
No.
We're
not here to hurt you.
I said to you.
Don't.
It's Danielle, D-A-N. Danielle, don't walk off on me.
Don't hurt me.
Stop walking.
Please don't hurt me.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. If
Yep.
you keep walking away, I'm going to have to put you in handcuffs. Okay?
Don't hurt me.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to do
Don't
that.
hurt me.
We're not going to hurt you. We just want to hear what you have to
I
say.
didn't hurt you. No.
Pen and paper. Pen and paper.
Oh, we're not touching you. Okay.
Do you need medical attention tonight, Danielle?
Don't hurt me.
I'm not going to hurt you.
What's going on?
Do you need medical attention tonight?
Don't hurt.
We're not going to hurt you.
Okay.
We don't want to hurt you.
Have you had a bit to drink tonight, Danielle?
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that I got hurt.
I'm not hurting you. I haven't done anything that said I'm going to hurt you.
Are you gonna hurt me?
Absolutely not.
This is my partner, Officer Bell. I'm Officer
Yep.
Ash. We're here to try
Officer
to help
Bell?
you. What is going on?
I can't.
Slow down.
Just breathe. Breathe.
Just
Officer, I can't.
what? Are you having a panic attack? I'm not here to hurt you.
Oh,
Okay. Let me get your name and your birthday. This is my pen and my paper.
Damn, first she backed her ass up on the one officer, and now she trying to hug the other officer. These officers right here, they fighting for their life right now. Listen, drunk people are funny, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's hilarious. But good thing for them. Way to keep it professional, man.
I can't breathe. Daddy. No, wait.
Let's go over and sit in the car. Let's go over and sit in the car.
I need you.
You're not gonna hang on to my hands here. Let's go over
walk
and sit in
right
the
this
car.
way.
Let's go over and sit in the car. You're acting like you're gonna fall over or grab me, so let's go sit in the car.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay, then you don't need to let me go.
Danielle.
All right, Danielle.
Oh. Hello?
Yep.
Hi, can
We're
I?
just going to put you in handcuffs.
What's your name?
Danielle?
Danielle. You got anything on you at all? No weapons or anything?
No.
Okay, she's got really small
Are
wrists,
you
so.
okay if I search you for weapons? Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't got much on, but...
It's my
Yeah,
it's
okay.
Oh, yeah. So what are you saying to me?
Do you have anything on you?
No, she consented to search. She doesn't have anything, just leggings on, so
Okay.
no, nothing at
Okay.
all.
Let's go over to my car so we figure out who she is.
Yep.
Danielle Street.
You already know who I am.
Well, you told me, and then you started walking away.
You already know who I am.
Okay.
No.
Hey, do not try to trip him. Hey!
Hey, Danielle.
Uh-oh. Might have to take her down.
Take it out.
Gotta go to the other side. I don't have full cage.
That's alright.
That's assault on an officer.
Oh, yeah?
Kick me in the head.
You're such a fucking piece of shit. You're a fucking piece of shit. You're a fucking
I
piece
got a
of
leg.
On his belt.
Oh, well.
Hey, I'm gonna put your feet down if you kick. Hey! Stop it!
Oh, yeah. He's a piece of
Fix it, bud.
Oh, yeah. You wanna...
I got it. You taking off me?
You bitch. You're a piece of shit. Stop. You're a horrible piece of shit.
Do not bite me. Do not bite me.
Well, then, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk.
Jesus. Nice.
You okay? Everybody good?
She got pretty close to biting me.
Yeah.
Twice.
You good?
Me? Right after she tried to kick you, she tried to bite you the first time. But she did kick me in the head.
She did. Are you good?
Yeah, she tried to bite me. She got within like half an inch and I moved my hand.
Yeah, right before that, she got close to me too. She was right on my neck. I pushed her face out of the way. Thanks for that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know who she is. Does anybody want to talk to front desk for me? See
Yeah.
what they got?
Yeah.
Are you on?
I'll go talk to her. Okay. How are you this evening?
I was good until she came in here.
All right. Is she staying here?
No. No.
You don't know who she is?
No, not at all. She came in and asked for some guy, and I was like, no, that person's not here.
Okay.
And then she was like, I'm glad we're together. Like, you're with me. I was like, you have to leave. And she was like, fuck you. I hate you. I hope you fucking have a horrible death. Fuck you. And started,
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, go.
Yep. Okay. So walk us through exactly what happened. She
She just came in.
just came in.
She came to the door, and I buzzed her in. And she said, hey, is just somebody, I don't know what name she said. And I looked and I was like, no, I don't have that person here. And then she just kept standing there, and I was like, you have to leave. You can't just stand here. And she was like, I'm glad we're together. Like, I'm glad you and I are together.
Okay.
Like, we're good girlfriends. You're a good girlfriend. I'm like, you need to leave. Like, you can't just stand here. And she said, why can't I? And I said, because you can't. And she was like, fuck you. I hope you have a horrible death. Fuck you. And started, like, doing crazy stuff. And I just called the police.
She didn't say who she was.
No, not at all.
Okay.
I have no idea who she is. I don't even know where she came from.
You don't know. Okay.
Not at all.
Do you have a card, like a business card with your
I
information on
don't
it?
have any business cards. What do you need to know?
Just the phone number.
Yeah.
Be good. In case we have any questions for you, but it doesn't sound like you have much.
Yeah, I don't really know anything about her. 505. No, here it is. Here
Okay. Any other information we need to know about before we take off?
That's it.
Okay. Well, she is under arrest right now, so she should not be coming back tonight.
Thank you.
Give us a call if someone else comes in looking for her or anything like that. Okay. Have a good night.
Listen, that interaction right there is gonna get her through to at least probably it's 2:30 in the morning. It's probably that interaction right there is probably gonna get her through to about 4:30, 5 o'clock ish in the morning. Then she gonna start, hey, listen, if you work the graveyard shift, it's tough. So that's gonna get her through for another 2 hours or so.
Jane Doe.
Glad I could be back.
Yeah.
The woman was then transported to the Polk County Jail without further incident, where she was then booked and charged with assault on a police officer, public intoxication, and interference with official acts. In court, she was only charged with assault on police officers and managed to get the other charges dismissed. If you enjoy the content we produce, please don't forget to.
Damn. Out of all of that, I mean, I would give her. Damn, how'd she get the public intoxication drop? Whatever, Obviously the assault, yes, but she definitely under the influence of something too. Like but who knows? Maybe they tested her, didn't find nothing, whatever. But yeah, just probably a couple fines and pay a couple court fees. So overall, I mean, the cops did their job, So I get them a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.